Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an e-commerce business with Amazon easy tutorial step by step clearly. Research your niche to find products that are in demand. Consider your interests and skills to choose a suitable market. Analyze the competition to understand pricing and marketing strategies. Create a list of potential products you want to sell. Evaluate suppliers to ensure quality and reliability. Register for a seller account on Amazon. Choose between an individual or professional seller account. Fill out the necessary information and set up your Amazon store. Select a memorable name for your brand. Design an appealing logo that reflects your business identity. Purchase your initial inventory from your chosen suppliers. List your products on Amazon with detailed descriptions. Use high-quality images that showcase your products effectively. Optimize your product titles and descriptions with relevant keywords. Set competitive pricing while accounting for fees and shipping costs. Decide on your fulfillment method, fulfilled by Amazon or fulfilled by merchant. If using fulfilled by Amazon, set up your account and send inventory to their warehouses. Create an efficient shipping strategy if you're handling fulfillment yourself. Launch your products and monitor their performance closely. Use Amazon advertising tools to promote your listings. Engage with customers and respond to their inquiries promptly. Request feedback and reviews to build your credibility. Analyze sales data to identify trends and areas for improvement. Adjust your strategy based on customer feedback and competitor analysis. Continue to expand your product range based on market demands. Stay informed about e-commerce trends to keep your business competitive. Foster relationships with suppliers for better pricing and service. Regularly evaluate your business performance to track growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.